Hello and good day. Today I'm going to show you how to resubmit your revised paper together with the auto reply form for the upcoming Informa 2019. So let's look at the basic procedures. So this procedure can be used for almost any journal submissions, any submissions. Okay, the first thing is you must make sure to follow the format of the recommended journal. It could be the index or non-index according to the editor's suggestion for the Informa. Then the second process would be to attach the revised paper in the system and followed by emailing the auto reply form to this joacns at staff.uitm.edu.my, this email address. And whenever you are emailing this auto reply form, please make sure to put in your ID underscore auto reply form and then just attach the file. Alright, so let me show you in detail one by one over here. Alright, so for the easy chat, what you have to do is you have to log in. Okay, I'm sure you will receive the reviewer's recommendation in your email. Then you will do the corrections. After that, you will have a revised paper. So to resubmit the revised paper, go to your particular submission, click the magnifying glass, and then go to the update file. So here you already have the previous older version. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go and choose the file. Just simply select the revised paper which is in the PDF form and then resubmit. Simple. The revised paper will be attached over here. Alright, so this is a revised paper. Okay, so that is the first step. The second step, what you have to do is you have to fill in the auto reply form. This auto reply form can be found from Journal of Academia website. So this is the Journal of Academia website. If you don't know the website, you can just type in nsembilan.uitm.edu.my/joacns. Okay, so here, so this is the Journal of Academia official website, and you can go to the download tab and scroll down. You can see auto reply form. So just click and download it. So it will take time to appear over here. Okay, so this is the auto reply form that you can edit. So you can edit the manuscript title, your manuscript ID, who are the authors, you can put in. Then you just need to copy paste the reviewer's comments over here. Then what is the correction that we have done? Alright, so here reviewer comment, over here the reviewer your response. And normally for a paper, for each paper there are two reviews comments. Please fill in the blanks accordingly. And you may add the columns if you need it, if you need more columns here. Okay, once you have done, let me show you one example as well. So something like this, you have to key in the manuscript title, the ID, for example, this is one ID 108. Okay, so here the reviewer one commented the abstract is too brief. The info was there, but need to arrange and add more to make it clear. So here the author has given some comments in the abstract. Corrosion of metal is a severe issue in any industry, so they had more points and they put it over here. What are the corrections that they have made? And the spelling, corrosion has been corrected. Something like okay, there were no results for elemental analysis as stated in the abstract. Same goes with the melting point. So here the author has added the requested parameters that they have shown in the table. Okay, so this part you save. Once you save, you can email this. You can simply go to your email. Compose a new email. What you have to do is you just type the email address joacns desktop .median.edu.my, and subject you put ID 108. You don't need to type any specific messages over here. What you have to do is you just select what's that? Okay, I'm not sure here, but then I just simply show you. Just take this file, you attach your reviewer comment in your revision, the reply format, send it. So once you send it, I'm supposed to receive my in my email. So yeah, it will appear like this. So I will pass this to the appropriate case editor. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please make sure to follow the guidelines. Thank you.